Hello everybody and welcome to the crypto session brief. We are on Wednesday the 15th of February 2023. Looking across the crypto markets today, it's been a case of digesting the hotter than expected US inflation yesterday that we saw. It was a pretty mixed reaction, if truth be told, across main markets, but crypto's actually reacted relatively positively. You can see yesterday's daily bar on BTC moving higher, breaking back above the 22k barrier, but truth be told, wasn't really the volatility. There wasn't really a volatile reaction that we were perhaps anticipating. But good news for bulls as we continue to move higher despite hotter than expected inflation coming through in the US. And we now look to push on LTC back from moving to that double top of 102. We look to push on BTC. Now we've been able to successfully hold above 21,125 for a move above the 22k barrier. And now can we fully fade the sell-off that we saw from last Thursday? Litecoin, as mentioned, Ripple relatively unchanged. And then Ethereum is the final one. 1550 is where we're currently at. Overhead, we've got that double top of 1700 to be retargeting, but let's first look to reclaim the 1550 area after successfully finding some support down at 1450. There's not too much in the way of crypto news that I can bring your way. I'm just double checking here across the desk, and there's no real updates to bring your attention to at this stage. If there is, then we'll post it inside the crypto chat, but I'll leave it for there for today. Of course, just to bring your attention to, sorry, for one final note, is the economic calendar for today, because in the US we do have potentially market moving data releases. We've got a tier 1 event, high impact, which is the retail sales month on month, and then on Friday we've got the US PPI, but today being the main one being the retail sales. Of course, if that comes through hotter than expected, plus we had that hot inflation yesterday, plus we had the hot NFP reports last week, that'll be three key data releases all coming in hotter than expected within a week. So in theory we should be seeing negative reactions in markets in terms of risk selling off, but